So got drawn for a Arizona bull elk tag, unit 3A and 3C, right after Thanksgiving, the end of November. Came up here and was glassing looking for bull elk all morning, taking a quick lunch break. Wanted to show you some of the optical equipment that I use. Mostly I'm a Coues whitetail deer hunter from southern Arizona, so most of what I use are kind of my techniques and stuff are carryover from the whitetail. So some of this equipment's needed and some of it's not, depending on the type of hunting. Today I decided to go out and do some spot and stalk type hunting. If I'm going out through the woods and stuff, I'm not going to carry so much optics, but just a quick look at what it is. Kind of the heart and soul, the main thing that I always have no matter what I'm hunting, and no matter what, how I'm going about it, is my binoculars. These are Swarovski 10x50s. Awesome binocular, work very well for everything I need them for. 1556s for whitetail can be pretty helpful, but the 1050s are my kind of universal binocular. I use these for everything. Take those, I can throw them on my tripod for glassing. This is a Slik 444 Sport 2 tripod. Pretty quick attach. It's not real lightweight, which is good. It's got enough weight that it really is stable on a hillside in the wind. I've got my Swarovski adapter to adapt the binoculars to it. I'll show you a little bit more about those later. Then I can pop off an eyepiece, and then I've got this 2-power doubler that I can screw on. Not something that I use that often, but if I do find something and I want to get a little closer look at it, it's not quite as user-friendly as I thought it would be when I originally purchased it, but it's definitely a handy tool I can have, and it works as just a 2-power binocular by itself, where I can screw it on and up the magnification to 20 power. Only real issue is it's only a 50mm objective, so once you crank it up to 20 power, you got a 2.5mm exit pupil. So anyway, that's kind of the main thing. I pretty much always carry that. If I do get into something that I want to see a little bit more, or if I'm glassing pretty far, I've got the Leupold 12 to 40 spotting scope. I'm not sure what model it is, but it's the 12 to 40 Goldline model. Pretty compact. Again, I don't always carry that, but something I have if in the truck if I need it, or if I'm going to go somewhere that I think I might need a little bit more magnification, I'll grab that. Then something I never leave home without is my Leica LRF 900 rangefinder. Had this for a number of years. It's never let me down. It's an excellent equipment to have. I've taken readings out to about 1,200 yards on pretty reflective stuff, but works very well. Then of course to my optic on my rifle. It's a Swarovski 3 to 10x42 in the AV line, so it's a 1-inch scope. Pretty light rifle, kind of my mountain rifle. It's a Weatherby Mark V Ultralight in 270 Winchester, not Weatherby 270, but a Winchester. So it's a lighter, it's a non-magnum action, so it's quite a bit lighter. Pretty trim rifle, been through quite a bit, shot a pretty good amount of game with that rifle. Well, that's pretty much my main optic layout. In here I also have my Garmin Rhino 120, which is a GPS and radio that I always carry as well. Just give you a quick heads up on that.